So, good morning children once again. Here I am before you, your English teacher. Yes. Now yesterday I told you about Neha's day, how she was spending her day. Na? Then, where did I stop? Yes, she got up in the morning, she brushed her teeth, had a good bath or had a good shower. Then she dressed up, neat clothes and combing the hair. Then today I shall tell you what she does after dressing up. Okay, once you dress up, you sit at home. Do you sit at home? Once you put on your uniform, comb your hair, do you sit at home? Or get ready to go to school? Yes, you get ready to go to school. Understand? And see this Neha, no? She is always talking about her teddy bear. I brushed my teeth, but my teddy bear did not brush its teeth. Where will a toy brush its teeth? Your toys will brush their teeth and have their bath and all. No. But because Neha is a small girl, no? So she's just telling us. Teddy bear does not brush his teeth. Teddy bear does not brush its teeth. Happy for it. Every day it's the same. Then, next, after dressing up, what will I do? I have my breakfast. Yes, I have my breakfast. That is very, very important. I told you in the first lesson also, never skip your breakfast because that is the only source of energy you will have in your body till afternoon 12 o'clock. Understand? So, next, I have my breakfast. Then mommy is ready with the breakfast. And what is my favorite breakfast, you know, miss? What is it? Yes, children. Some like puri and curry, some like chapati, some like idli. But my favorite breakfast is upma. Oh my God. Upma is my breakfast. How many kinds of upma and mommy can make? Oh, there are a lot many. Okay. But I like upma very much. Okay. My favorite breakfast is upma. You know upma, no? You like upma? Huh? Not many, no? Yes. Some like, I like puri and curry. You like upma. You like idli. You like dosa. Okay. Next. I pack my bag and then I go to school. Again, you feel sad to come to school, I know. After so many days of holidays, relaxing nicely at home, asking, Mommy, make this, Mommy, make that for me, Mommy, paisa, Mommy, this, Mommy, that. All these days you enjoyed, no, because of Corona. Now it's time for you to go to school. Then Mommy packs up. Now after Mommy giving you your breakfast, she packs up your food, your lunch for the afternoon. Okay. Then I pack my bag. Then you have to settle your bags. Don't give too much of importance for your food. See what you are bringing to school. All the necessary books according to your timetable. What all subjects you have. So you should bring all the textbooks and notebooks to school. Understand? Don't stand up and say, Miss, I don't have my maths book. No, that is not what a good girl does. So I arrange all the books in my bag. I arrange my books in my bag. And then I go to school. Then my automan comes and I go to school. Again, what Neha is telling us, teddy bear does not go to school. What is this? Only I am going to school every day. And my teddy bear is having rest at home. It's not going to school at all. Neha is feeling jealous. No? When I go to school, even that girl also should go to school. Even my teddy bear also should go to school. But see my teddy bear, it is always at home. Why? Teddy bear is a toy for you. Teddy bear is a toy. If you want this teddy bear to come to school also, it cannot walk. You only have to carry it and walk nicely. Okay? So don't ask your teddy bear to come to school. Teddy bear does not go to school with me. I don't take my teddy bear to school. It will not come to school and study. Then, the whole day long you are in your school. First comes maths, then science, then games, then singing, this, that. The full day you will be in the school till evening. Okay. Next. I come home from school. After the school gets over, what happens? What happens after the school gets over? You'll remain in the school only? No. Your mummy or your daddy or your auto man, someone will come to pick you up and they'll drop you in your house. Okay? There you are happy once again, you are in your house again. And then I play with my sister. Oh my God, there is another sister, small Neha. Neha is the first one. And second, she has a sister, a younger sister, a small sister at home. Then when she comes home, what does she do? Of course, she puts down her bag, she removes her dress, she changes her dress. Understood? Then her sister comes crawling, a toddler, she comes crawling. And then I love my sister so much that I sit and play with my sister. Who is my sister? A small baby girl. Understood? We have lots of fun. Fun means what? We laugh, we have jokes, my sister beats me, I beat her. Understood? We have lots of fun there. Evening, after going from school. Then what happened? Then it become evening. Then your mother will tell you what? Come on Neha, my girl. Take out your books and do your homework. Your miss has given you homework, no? Yes, mommy. Then take out your homework. You do all your homework, complete your homework. Then okay. I'm a good girl. I'll sit and complete all my homework. My Hindi homework, my Telugu homework, my maths, everything. All that what my class teacher gives me, I'll complete all the work. Then it will become dark. Means what? Dark means? Night. It is becoming night. Say about 7 o'clock or 7:30. Then of course, evening we have another bath. No? You go home and have your bath in the evening. And you put on another set of fresh and clean clothes. Then what does mommy do? She'll put you to sleep. She'll ask you to sleep. No, you must be feeling hungry. No, only you had one glass of milk after coming back from school. So now mommy gives you your dinner. What does mommy give you? She gives you your dinner in the night. The night food is called dinner. The food that you eat in the night. The food that you eat in the night is called your dinner. Understand? So what is that called? Your night meal. This is called your dinner. You should have your dinner and go to bed. Because throughout the day you have been studying, playing, jumping, talking to your friends, playing in the school, coming home and playing with your sister and all. So you have lost all your energy. You are very weak by body. Now have your dinner. Understood? Yes. Now Neha has a dinner. See the day, how she's spending her day. She's telling you step by step how she got up, what she did after getting up, brushing her teeth, having a bath, then dressing up, having a breakfast, then packing up her bag and all that, settling her books, taking lunch is packed by her mother, taking that to school, and then coming back home, she plays, she does her homework. See how she's telling you a detailed account. She's telling you what she is doing after what. This is first done, second I do this, then I do this, then I do this. Okay. Then I take a bath too. Why take a bath again? Morning you had your bath, huh? Yes. You have to have your bath 2 times a day. For that matter, you should brush your teeth once in the morning and once at night. After having your dinner, you should brush your teeth again a second time. Why? Because the food particles will be left in between your teeth and they get germs gather there and then they will eat up the whole tooth over there. So, in order to avoid all this, you should have good health now. So, you have your dinner, then go brush your teeth. Once you brush your teeth, no more eating. You have to go to bed. So, I have a bath too. Teddy does not take a bath. Oh my God, what a girl Neha. Isn't it? Everything she's comparing with a little teddy. I go to school, my teddy bear does not go to school. I eat, my teddy bear does not eat. I have a bath, my teddy bear does not have a bath. Poor thing, little girls, small little girls, right to first standard or upper KG children. Teddy does not take a bath. So, as usual, Miss, I go to school, Miss, I study, Miss. But my teddy bear does not come to school. It does not study at all. Understand? It sits at home all the time. Okay. Then I go to bed. Now, Mummy says, Neha, it's time for you to go to bed. Come on, get up. Put the things in their places and you go and sleep. Have a good sleep so that your mind will be fresh for the next day. And I read my books. So I have little story books on my bed, 1 or 2 books. So I read 1 story or 2 stories before going to bed. And then I go into my sleep. Teddy comes to bed with me. Again the Teddy. Teddy is a tail for Neha, no? Teddy is a tail. But what does Neha do as she's sleeping? She takes Teddy along with her, and as she's sleeping, she put her Teddy next to her. And say, come on, sleep. She'll sing a lullaby song. You know, lullaby song, your mother will sing for you to put you to sleep. So my teddy bear also sleeps with me. It doesn't come to school, doesn't do its homework, but it comes and sleeps with me in the night, next to me in the bed. Teddy comes to bed with me. So that is at what part of the time? What part of the day? Night time. So, what did I tell you now? I told you how Neha has spent her day. Isn't it? Right from morning 6 o'clock till 9 o'clock in the night. See how nicely she was telling you, no? I do this first, then I do this second, then this third, then I go to school, then I learn, then I come back, I play with my sister, I have my dinner, then I have a bath, I brush my teeth, then have a bath, and then I go to sleep. So, that is the day's work. Understand? First she gets up in the morning, brushes her teeth. You all brush your teeth, no? Yes. If you don't brush your teeth, you will get some bad smell from your mouth. Nobody wants to sit with you. Nobody wants to sit with you. Unless you are clean and good. So you brush your teeth, take a shower, dress up, isn't it? Then have your breakfast, pack up your lunch, settle your bag, go to school. That is the whole day. And then in the evening again, what happens? When the bell rings for you to go home, yes, you go home, play with your sister. Then again eat something, brush your teeth, have your bath and go to bed. So now second lesson 3 is over. Lesson 3 is over. Understood? So now again the same homework. Now you sit down quietly. Take the help of your parents or your brother or your sister if they are elder to you. Sit down, read the lesson thoroughly well. If you do not know how to pronounce the word, ask your elders at home. Read the lesson thoroughly well and get ready for tomorrow's work. I'll give you a little bit of homework. I'm not going to give you too much. Little bit. I know your capacity. I'll give you a little bit of homework. Okay, children? We'll stop the lesson for today. Okay, bye.